You can't use the verb will everywhere. It has just three main uses. If you want to learn about it, don't miss this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to English Skill Hub. In today's video, we are diving to super important verb will. We use will all the time in English to talk about the future, but as we said, it has three main uses. Predictions, promises, and decisions. Let's check them. Using will for predictions. Will is used to talk about what we think will happen in the future, often based on what we know or believe at the moment. Let's have some examples. It will rain tomorrow. Prediction about weather. It is rainy tomorrow. She will pass the exam. A prediction about passing the exam. She can pass the exam successfully in future. He will win the race. Prediction about winning the race. He can win the race in future. Using will for promises. Will is used to make promises or offer to do something. It expresses commitment to future actions. Examples: I will help you with your homework. I promise you to help with your homework. We will keep your secrets. I promise that keep your secrets and don't tell it to the others. I promise I will call you later. It's a promise too about calling you later. Using will for decisions. Will is used when making decisions at the moment of speaking, often used for spontaneous decisions or quick plans. Examples: I will have a coffee, please. It's a decision at the moment about drinking a cup of coffee. We will go to the movie tonight. It's a decision at the moment about going to the movie tonight. We will order pizza for dinner. We make decision to order pizza for dinner tonight. Try to practice using will in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.